Hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. So in this short tutorial video, I want to show you how you can remove the footer information that is on a Foodicious theme, which you can find on the footer. You have seen these links. So the theme, I've just installed Foodicious theme in my demo website. This is the theme. So for users who are using this Foodicious theme, when you go to every page of your website, you will find there's a copyright note and the design by Vin Themes wording over here. So how do you remove these lines? So I will share with you is that when you go to appearance, customize, there is this footer settings, and this footer setting will control the appearance over here. So for example, let's say I put in copyright 2024, then put in my company name, for example, Clean Limited, and you can see that it's being replaced. So I click publish. About the wording on the right here is that you will need to change the footer file. So I show you where is the footer file. When you go to appearance, theme file editor, and on the right side, you can click on the footer, theme footer. The file name is footer.php, and when you scroll down, you can see that under this division, theme author, there is this link over here. So what you can do is that you can delete this whole chunk of coding right here. After you delete it, then the footer link will be gone. Sometimes after you delete this and you click the update file, this will take a very long time to load and may give you an error. So the best case is that you use a FTP manager to go into the file itself. So I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, so once you FTP to your file folders, you will see that in all WordPress website, you will have WP admin, WP content, WP include. So go into WP content folder and go into themes folder, and you will find Foodicious theme folder. Go into Foodicious theme folder, and you will see there's a file called footer PHP file. So right click, you can open this file with your notepad, or you can open this file with any coding. When you scroll down, you will see this chunk of coding over here. So I can just delete this coding and I save the file. So once I save the file, I go back to my website, I do a refresh, and you can see that now the wording is gone. And this is according to my setting in the appearance customize. So I hope you find this video useful in removing footer note for your Foodicious theme.